Welcome to my channel. I bring to you the best deals in Southeast, and right here we are at Ngobala, Imo State, where Ebuka Obi is building his new church and his businesses, hospital. So many things are coming down here, and he said himself that he's going to make this place a city. You know what that means? It means that lots of investments is coming down here. He's going to turn these empty lands to a city. And you know what happened in Zion Ministry in Lagos? Plots of land is now selling over 100 million over there. But right here, you can buy for as low as 1.5 million to 3.5 million right now. Like 3 months ago, this land was selling for 500,000 to 1 million, but just because he has started working already, the price has skyrocketed. And what is it for you as an investor? For an investor, maybe you're looking to start your school, hospital, farm, whatever you want to work on that you need massive land, from 50 plots to 1,000 or 5,000 plots. Right here you can get the land now, and it's good you buy now that is still selling for 1.5 million than buying when you buy it for 10 million. So if you're looking to start up your estate, we have the direct link to the communities around here where you can buy empty land from 50 to 1,000 plots right now. So I did this video, this is August, and I made this video August. And also remember that the 100 days prayer will be closing right here. Ebuka Obi said it himself that he's going to close it here. So all the people in Lagos are coming down here. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you the plots we are selling for 1.5 million naira. So this is the one we are selling for 1.5 million. This is 10 minutes drive from where Ebuka Obi church is. This is 10 minutes drive to there, and we are selling this one for 1.5 million naira. So if you're looking to buy your estate, call me with the number on the screen. Let's get you started, okay? Have a lovely day, and don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss it.